how to set all Facebook photos to only me. Now let's say you want to hide every photo, every post on your Facebook account to everyone on the internet. So you want to set the privacy to only me. Now in order for you to do that, all you have to do is to tap on your main menu button right here and scroll down to the very end until you see settings and privacy. You just have to tap on that and click on settings right here. Once you're here, you just have to scroll down until you find audience and visibility section right here. So all you have to do is to tap on profile and tagging right here. And now you can see who can post on your profile. You can also see who can see what others post on your profile. So all you have to do to make sure that all photos that you have on your Facebook account is set to only me is to set everything to only me. So tap on friends right here and set it to only me, as well as this one, and the tagging as well. So you have to set who can see post you're tagged in on your profile and set it to only me right here. And when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to an audience of the post if they can't already see it? So all you have to do is to make sure that it's set to only me. So that's how to set all Facebook photos to only me. Hope we help.